Welcome to Learn Easy and Smart. Dictation start. Prosecution examined Shivendra alias Raja bracket PW1 bracket comma Atul Jain bracket PW2 bracket and Sub-Inspector Injan Singh bracket PW3 bracket to prove its case full stop. No witness was examined in defense full stop. Paragraph change. I have carefully pursued the record full stop. Shivendra alias Raja bracket PW1 bracket has deposed that on the day of incident he was going along with his sister's friend Guya to his home, and when he approached Aga Chowk, accused was standing across the road who called him and at knife point snatched his mobile cell phone full stop. He has deposed that Guya was walking ahead of him full stop. He has also deposed that accused is known to him and accused lives in Ujarpurv full stop. Accused has admitted this fact in his examination under section 313 of the CRPC that the complainant knows him full stop. He has also deposed that he had lodged report bracket eggs P/1 bracket and police had prepared spot map bracket XP/2 bracket which bear his signatures full stop. He has also deposed that accused was arrested and police had inquired the accused and memorandum bracket XP/3 bracket was prepared and knife was seized while seizure memo bracket XP/4 bracket and accused was arrested wide bracket XP/5 bracket full stop. In the cross examination, this witness has deposed that on the day of incident itself he had reported the matter to the police and he had signed bracket xp oblique 1 bracket on the day of incident full stop. Later on, comma, this witness added that on the next day, comma, he had signed the FIR and further added that when accused was caught on that day, comma, he had signed all the papers bracket xp oblique 1 to xp oblique 5 bracket on that very day, and he had signed the documents as and where the police officer asked him to put his signatures full stop, paragraph change, the witness was suggested that he himself had voluntarily given the mobile phone to the accused, who was his friend, and they used to drink and eat together and had entered into monetary transactions as well, full stop. This witness has denied the aforesaid suggestions, and the suggestion that he had given a false report to the police, full stop, paragraph change, from the perusal of the facts which appeared in cross-examination, comma, it is found that the incident took place on 29/8/2021 and FIR was lodged on 31/8/2021, whereas the complainant has deposed that on very date of incident he had lodged the report, full stop. This fact that he had lodged the report on same day is not supported by documentary evidence. FIR bracket XP oblique 1 bracket full stop. However, comma, in his cross examination, comma, he has also said that on the day when accused was arrested, comma, he had signed all the documents, full stop, from the perusal of record, comma, it is evident that accused was arrested on 31/8/2021 and memorandum bracket XP/3 bracket comma seizure memo bracket XP/4 bracket and arrest memo bracket XP/5 bracket were also prepared on 31/8/2021 full stop. To this extent, comma, the witness is speaking the truth, full stop. Statement of Shivendra alias Raja bracket PW1 bracket is supported by investigating officer Sub-Inspector Injan Singh bracket PW/3 bracket full stop. Paragraph change. Therefore, comma, the only contradiction in respect of the prosecution story remains regarding the date on which report was lodged, full stop. Looking to the fact that the complainant is illiterate person and is only of 16 years of age, comma, his whole testimony cannot be discarded on this count alone, and it cannot be said that he is lying regarding the material evidence of snatching a mobile by accused on knife point, as this testimony could not be shaken in the cross-examination, full stop.